everyone. I'm Sister Libby, Principal of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan. Today is not just about showcasing our students' robotics projects, about understanding why robotics is so important for the next generation. Technology is changing the world at lightning speed. Robotics is at the heart of this change, from healthcare to space exploration.
Emmanuel Soji,
Leo Joy from class 7B.
We study in Nagle Vidhya Bhavan.
Today we are doing a project called Bluetooth control car. It is a car that can move forward, backward, left or right by using a smartphone through Bluetooth.
The components used are Arduino Uno, motor driver, Bluetooth module, battery holder, battery, wheel, motor, gear motor driver. Arduino is a mini computer. DC gear motor is the process of the movement of wheels. We need to install an app called Arduino Bluetooth Control from the Play Store. Working of the Bluetooth control car. Bluetooth pairing. The HC5 module pairs with a Bluetooth app like Arduino Bluetooth controller. Command transmission. When we press buttons on the app, commands like F forward, B backward, L left and R right are sent. Arduino processing. The Arduino receives these characters through serial communication. It interrupts them and sends the motor driver and sends signal to the motor driver accordingly. Motor control. The motor driver activates specific motor to move the car in the desired direction. Car movement. The car responds instantly to commands and navigates as per the user's input.
Hi, I'm Jeena. I'm the computer teacher of Nagle Vidhya Bhavan Kanjoor. We know that the future world is a world of robots. Robots are going to assist in our daily life. So we should prepare our children for the future by developing robotic things. As you all know, our school is providing robotics training for our children. We are using a platform called Cyber Square for this. It's a wonderful platform for our kids for improving their talent in science and technology. They can develop their problem-solving skills, critical thinking, innovation and creativity. It also helps improve teamwork and communication. Currently, our students are developing web pages, games and robotic cars.
By learning robotics, our students develop problem solving, creativity and teamwork skills that will help them succeed in any field. Here, we believe education should prepare children for life, not just for exams. We started our robotics partnership with the Cyber Square last year. Their classes have encouraged our students to think critically, adapt to change and embrace innovations. This year, our students are participating in tech talks and robotics competitions in multiple inter-school digital fest. I thank CyberSquare for their partnership, our teachers for their dedication, and our students for their enthusiasm. Together, we are building a future-ready generation. Thank you.